I think it's really important that, like you said, to be consistent in your communication. And so to help you to remember that, all I want you to do right now is just grab your ear and spell that out, ear, E-A-R. Okay, and you think, Eric, that's a little cheesy, and I admit every time I do that I feel a little cheesy. But let me tell you what that means. It's just to help me remember the three messages I have to communicate every day. The E, that stands for encouragement. The A, that stands for accountability. And the R is recognition. So great leaders every day are doing three things. They're encouraging people, they're holding people accountable, and they're giving them recognition. And to help you remember what you're supposed to say in those situations, encouragement is this: you can do it. And what that assumes is that you've given folks the resources that they need to do their jobs, the technical training that they need to do their jobs. And having done that, you then have earned the right to look them in the eye and say, you can do it, to encourage them to do their job. And accountability is difficult because most of us don't like conflict, and that can create conflict. But it can be simple in that you just focus on these three questions. Did you do it? If not, why not? How can I help? Okay, that's how you have an accountable conversation. And then assuming that they've done what they're supposed to do, you can then recognize them, and that is, you did it. And recognition can be personal, and it can be specific based on what they've actually accomplished. But those three messages, encouragement, accountability, recognition, those are the ones you need to communicate every single day.